Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk through how to delete invoice in Quickbooks online. So let's say if you click on an invoice and you want to delete it, how do you do that? So from here, from the home menu, click on the search. You should just wait for me. Under recent transactions, you see the invoice you created, but if it's not there, you can simply type in invoice. Let's say it's not there, type in invoice. And then you can see open invoices, click on it. So this is the invoice that I created. So you can see it. Then the next thing you'll do is, let's see how we can delete it. This is the invoice. So we can open it. Okay, you have the options here. We have email, we have print, we have send. So I'm trying to go to the invoice not showing very well. Let's see. Better. So I wanted to show them more. This is reports, sorry. Let's go back to invoice. This is the invoice. And now I want to delete it. So to delete this invoice, what I'll do is click on more. I can see the option for delete. I actually want to delete, yes. I click on yes. It's as simple as that. If I found this video helpful, if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.